clearly a beginner. Hey, we all start somewhere on our fitness journey, and that's why today I'm going to show you some great mini band exercises that you can do and the right way to do them so you can get the most out of your fitness journey. Now, I'm just going to show you a few exercises today. We're going to hit the just very tip of the iceberg, but if you want more exercises and follow along workouts that you can do at home to help you on your fitness journey, check out that pinned comment down below because we have our mini band program where you also get a free set of these mini bands so you can follow along with these exercises with me. So scroll down, check out that pinned comment, click that link so you can grab yours today. All right, so let's dive into these moves. We're gonna start with a lat pull down. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and grab that band overhead and then grab it down lower with the other hand. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull down, driving that elbow to our side. So you're really feeling that squeeze in your back muscle. Then we're just gonna bring it back up, and from there, just continue to pull down, really focusing on standing up tall, driving that elbow down by your side so you can feel that muscle working in your back. This is a great exercise to do because it's not a move that we do very often, and it helps to strengthen that back and get it looking really nice. All right, so we're gonna make sure we switch to the other side. Now there's different colored bands. We wanna make sure we're using one that's challenging for you. So every person is different, but if you start with the lighter colored ones, that's probably gonna be a good place for you to start if you're a beginner, and over time you can work to those harder ones. So start with maybe a yellow or a green, that's a good place for you. All right, now what I would suggest is shooting for about maybe 10 to 12 reps of these exercises if you're just starting out. All right, next up we're gonna do that tricep press down. This is a great one to work the back of those arms, which I know is an area that so many people wanna work. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and grab that band and anchor it right at your chest. So just make sure you have a good hold on it so it's not gonna go anywhere. Grab it down low with the other hand with your palm facing down, and what you're gonna do from there is I want you to press down, squeezing through the back of that arm. So straightening that arm all the way out so it's right down by your side and you feel that in the back of your arm. Bring it up from there, and we're just gonna keep repeating. So again, about 10 to 12 reps on each side here. So once we finish one side, guess what? We gotta take it over to the other side. So same thing, you're just gonna switch hands here, grab the band, anchor it onto your chest, grab down low with the other side, palm facing down, press through all the way, really squeezing the back of your arm, that tricep muscle, okay? And then bring it up. Make sure you're controlling the band on these moves, okay? Don't let it pull you back up, control it on the way up. And then pressing down and continue to repeat till you get that full set of reps in. All right, we're gonna switch to lower body and work those legs. Now, a lot of times you can go up with the band when you're doing lower body. Our lower body tends to be stronger because it's larger muscles. So maybe try the blue or the red here to really challenge yourself. So we're gonna take that band, we're gonna slide it up right above those knees and start with those feet together, toes pointed forward. From there, what I want you to do is take a nice big step out to the side and sit into that leg. So you can see one leg stays straight, the other leg we bend down into that, like kind of like we're doing a squat. Keep the toes pointed forward, the knees pointed forward, and then push off that foot, come back together. And we're gonna alternate, so just take it right to that other side, going from one side to the other, really sitting back into this. You're gonna feel it in your quads, your glutes, all around those legs, and it's really gonna be a great exercise to tone and shape those leg muscles. All right, you want more exercises, more workouts like this that you can follow along to make it easy to start your journey? Then make sure to check out our mini band program. You'll also get a free set of these mini bands. All right, so scroll down, check out that pinned comment below, click that link to get more details, and thanks for joining me for this workout.